Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect Eclipse and Tomcat. Now, the main benefit is that we can start Tomcat from Eclipse. Also, it will make it very easy for us to deploy our web application directly to Tomcat. Alright, so let's go ahead and move into the Eclipse. So I'll click the launch. Now we start running the Eclipse. So what I like to do is move down to the bottom section. There is a tab called server. So I would like to click the tab. So at this point, we don't have any server isolated with our Eclipse environment at the time. So we need to do is click this link, and we are going to add the new server. And we are going to add the new server that point to our Tomcat that we installed previously, right? So this is a default server. Let me open Nash. Okay. And then we need to do is to move up to the Apache Tomcat folder and then expand it. And then now I would like to do is go ahead and click this one, Tomcat Lite, this version, and then click the next button. And then at this point, I need to browse to tell the Eclipse where the Tomcat installed. So Apache, okay, this one, that's the folder. And then this is the default the JRE. So make sure that you have installed JRE after you install the Eclipse IDE. So the next step is click the finish. Right. So now this tab is already show you that it will associate with Tomcat with the Eclipse environment. So everything is set. You should see a reference for Tomcat. Now at this point it's stopped. We haven't started yet. We actually started in some of the following video. Okay, so great. So that means you are success. You see this message, and then good job, and I will see you next video. Bye.